Hey bro, we've all been there. You meet someone and something just clicks. You start picturing what it could be, what it should be, and before you know it, your mind is orbiting around one person, checking your phone, rereading messages, wondering what you did wrong, what you could do better. This video doesn't have any visuals or distractions. It's just you and me, talking about how to stop chasing one person and start becoming someone they can't forget. The illusion of control. You think chasing shows effort. You think if you just care more, they'll see it. But that's not how attraction works. The more you chase, the more it slips away. Because what people crave isn't presence, it's mystery. It's wondering where your energy went. You don't win love by holding tighter. You earn it by being someone who doesn't need to hold it all. When you stop trying to convince someone, you shift from seeking validation to becoming validation itself. The energy shift. The truth is, what you chase, you repel. What you embody, you attract. Every time you overthink them, you give your energy away. You tell the universe you're lacking. But the moment you pull your focus back, everything changes. You start glowing differently. Your attention becomes rare, and they can feel it. Not because you're playing games, but because you finally remembered who you are. Turn the chase inward. Here's what you do instead. Start chasing the man you're becoming. Hit the gym, not to distract yourself, but to rebuild your discipline. Learn something new. Build something real. Because when you redirect your energy toward your growth instead of their attention, you stop vibrating from need and start radiating power. The world feels that difference. So does that person you used to chase. Suddenly, you're not the one waiting. You're the one they're thinking about. The silence that speaks. When you stop reaching out, they notice. Not right away, but they feel the absence. And that silence hits harder than any message. Because silence says, I'm not angry, I'm focused. It says, I'm not avoiding you. I've outgrown needing to explain. You're not blocking, you're not begging, you're simply moving different. And that's what makes people turn back. You weren't meant to chase, you were meant to choose. Listen, bro, you were never meant to chase one person. You were meant to build a life that makes the right people choose you. Because the truth is, when you stop chasing, you start creating space for someone who's ready. Someone who doesn't make you beg for the bare minimum. So stop obsessing over one person. Start mastering your focus, your energy, your presence. Because once you do that, you'll realize you never lost them. You just found yourself again.